Hi, I'm Bob, your English teacher. I'll be helping you build your vocabulary. Each day, we'll learn 10 new words along with examples. Let's begin. First word for today is abacus, meaning a device used for counting and performing mathematical calculations, consisting of a frame with rows of movable beads. Example 1. The teacher showed the children how to use an abacus to solve simple arithmetic problems. Example 2. The child used an abacus to practice simple arithmetic. The next is abandon, meaning to leave behind or forsake something or someone, often in a way that indicates lack of care or support. Example 1. She decided to abandon her old job and pursue her passion for art. Example 2. The explorers had to abandon their campsite when the river flooded. The next is abase, meaning to insult or degrade. Example 1. The leader's rude remarks were intended to abase his opponent in front of the audience. Example 2. He would not abase himself by begging for their approval. The next is abate, meaning to reduce in intensity, degree, or amount. Example 1. The storm finally began to abate after several hours of heavy rain. Example 2. The pain in his ankle did not abate even after he rested for several hours. The next is abduct, meaning to take someone away by force or to kidnap. Example 1. The movie was about a detective trying to rescue a girl who was abducted by criminals. Example 2. The police were searching for the man who tried to abduct the child. The next is ableist, meaning most capable or skilled in a particular task or skillful. Example 1. She was the ableist candidate for the position, with years of experience. Example 2. Of all the debaters on the team, he proved to be the ableist at handling difficult questions. The next is abrasive, meaning causing irritation or damage. Example 1. His abrasive comments made everyone uncomfortable during the meeting. Example 2. He smoothed the rough surface with fine abrasive paper. The next is abstention, meaning a voluntary decision not to act. Example 1. His abstention from alcohol was part of a promise he had made to his family. Example 2. The new rule was accepted because there were many abstentions during the vote. The next is abstract, meaning 1. Existing as an idea, but not having physical presence. Meaning 2. To extract or remove something. Example 1. The artist's abstract paintings were open to interpretation. Example 2. Scientists abstracted essential data from the experiment. The last word for today is absurd, meaning unreasonable, illogical, or foolish. Example 1. It was absurd to think that they could finish the project in one day. Example 2. It would be absurd to wear a heavy coat on such a hot day. Let's test our knowledge with a short quiz on the words we've just learned. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks with the appropriate word. 1. A true leader will never dash others to make themselves feel superior. Answer: abase. 2. The criminal attempted to dash the child but was caught by the police. Answer: abduct. 3. The doctor prescribed medicine to help dash the patient's pain. Answer: abate. 4. The ancient merchant used an dash to keep track of his sales. Answer: abacus. 5. Due to the heavy storm, the sailors had to dash the sinking ship. Answer: abandon. 6. His dash remarks upset the audience, even though he claimed he was only being honest. Answer: abrasive. 7. The painting was so dash that only a few people could understand what it was meant to show. Answer: abstract. 8. Out of all the applicants, she was considered the dash for the demanding role. Answer: ableist. 9. Voting passed quickly, thanks to several members dash during the meeting. Answer: abstention. 10. It would be dash to try and run a marathon without any training. Answer: absurd. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.